So you want white teeth like me? Well, this video I put together is going to give you some information of how you can have white teeth. No dentist needed, no trays to worry about, and it's going to cost you less than $9. Stay tuned. So here I'm at the park. I thought I'd do this video outside because it's such a beautiful day. So I can tell you I'm nowhere affiliated with this product that I'm going to be discussing in this video. But I can tell you from experience, from people I know's experience, that this stuff works. So how did this all start? I'm down at the beach on vacation with my parents, and I'm showing my parents some of my YouTube videos on another channel, which is called Along for the Journey. I'll show you that link and share it in my description as well. So I'm showing these videos and my mom's like,
"You really need to do something with your teeth."
Now when my mother said you got to try this, she has worked in the dental business for years. She is 80 some years old. I'm not going to tell her I put that in this video, but she is 80 years old. She has the whitest teeth as you're going to see throughout here. Even the dentist, they ask, what are you using on your teeth? And this is what she uses. She's tried the trays. Yes, they do help. She went away from the trays and is solely using this now. If you look at her teeth and what the dentists are saying, what is she doing at 80 years old? She's doing something right. And I can honestly say it's worked for me too. So give it a try. Let me know in the comment sections if it works for you. So after I tried this for one day, my mom was like,
Wow!
Am I getting, it says it removes 10 years of yellow stains. Am I getting 10 years worth? I don't know about that, but I can definitely tell the shading in the white. I don't know if you're going to be able to see in this video, but I'm going to show some before and afters here. So you judge. And let me know your results too. I want to know in the comments. I'm not affiliated with Colgate in any way, but I am just going to say it does work. Try it. Let me know. I tried some different things. A couple videos I've watched is using banana peels and strawberries and rubbing them on your teeth. I saw no results on that. These before videos were taken prior to me trying that, and trust me, bananas and strawberry skins do not do a thing. Check out my mom's white teeth. I mean, is this incredible for her age? And she drinks coffee, tea. You can guarantee you that this has a lot to do with it. So what you want to do is try and use this product after every meal. Brush your teeth for a few minutes after every meal. Do it for at least twice a day if you can, 3 times even better. Do it for a month. But like I'm going to tell you, my parents, she said she saw results in one day when we were at the beach. One little tip I'm going to give you, because it was driving me nuts for a little while. When I was first using this stuff, I'm putting it on my toothbrush, and I usually wet my toothbrush a little bit. So I'm putting the toothpaste on there and I'm starting to brush my teeth, and you can actually feel this stuff work. It warms. At first I had to check my faucet to make sure I didn't have the hot or the warm water on. But after about a week, I checked with my wife and she kind of said the same thing. That toothpaste heats up, so you can actually feel it working. Not sure what chemical that is that's in there, but I feel like it is doing what it says it's going to do, and will definitely give you whiter teeth than you have now. Can you see my teeth here? I don't know if you're going to be able to pick this up, but I will take some close-ups. Forget the crookedness of my teeth. That's a whole different story, but look at the color. I try and give you information that I've used, experiences that I've had, experiences that other people have told me. And this one seems to work. Please just give it a try. If you have stained teeth, this will make them whiter. And like I said, subscribe, like, talk to you soon.